Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games not downloading games or not updating games problem. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to clear the Epic Games cache data. To do this, or here, right click on the Epic Games and select exit. Select exit. After doing this, right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, you just need to search for Epic Games Launcher. Double click on it. Whatever inside the Epic Games Launcher, you just need to select all and delete it guys. Don't worry of deleting this guys. These are just temporary files. Now you just need to close it off here. Now launch the Epic Games and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Epic Games. Before uninstalling, you need to ensure you back up your games to avoid losing them. You just need to locate the folder where your Epic game is installed. You just need to go to local disk C and program files. In here Epic Games, inside you can able to see all the games listed over here. You just need to copy all the games and take a backup of another drive. Just paste it in the another drive. After taking backup, this prevent the games from being deleted when you uninstall the launcher. You just need to close it off here. Now go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to category and select uninstall a program. Search for Epic Games Launcher and uninstall it. Right click on it and select uninstall it. If Epic Games is running in the background, you can't able to uninstall it guys. So you just need to click on this system tray icon and right click on the Epic Games and select exit guys. After doing this, try to uninstall Epic Games. After uninstalling it, close it off here. Now you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to select the download Epic Games Launcher and download it. After getting download done, you just need to go ahead and install it guys. After the installation process, you just need to open the Epic Games Launcher and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.